Hi, and welcome back, guys. My name is Daniel, and today I want to talk about my new keyboard, something that I've been using for about 2 months now. It is the obinslab and Pro 2 mechanical gaming keyboard. Now, you might think, why is a keyboard so special if you're, someone who doesn't really have any interest in computers, but let me tell you that having a really well built keyboard changes everything. Your experience using your computer or the experience when you're playing games on your computer. So let's take a closer look at the OpenSlab and Pro 2. The OpenSlab N Pro 2 is a remarkable gaming keyboard. This 60% compact keyboard feels very well built and looks sleek in most computer setups. Every key on it can be fully programmed, and it has fully customizable RGB lighting behind each key. So what do you get when you buy the OpenSlab N Pro 2? Of course, you get a USB-C cable, one keycap puller, 8 extra keycaps, 1 extra enter keycap, 1 extra shift keycap, and 1 extra escape keycap, and of course, your quick starter guide. The OpenSlab N Pro 2's backlighting is outstanding. Each key is individually backlit, and the keyboard has full RGB and brightness settings, with a white inside frame to help reflect light. Unfortunately, the backlighting still isn't bright enough for well-lit rooms like an office, though you won't likely need the backlighting in these situations. This keyboard has remarkable wireless versatility. It connects via Bluetooth as opposed to a proprietary receiver, meaning you don't need a USB dongle if you have a Bluetooth-enabled PC. But of course, in my case, I did buy a Bluetooth USB dongle from Lazada, which is really affordable. It can also be paired to 4 devices to quickly switch between them, making it easy to reply to a text on your phone with your keyboard when you're doing work at your computer. The ergonomics of the OpenSlab N Pro 2, I have to say its only downside. There's no palm rest, and the incline settings of this keyboard cannot be adjusted. It's a very small keyboard that may sometimes feel a bit cramped and takes a little while to get used to. There are also no dedicated arrow keys, which could be a deal breaker for some. But you can enable the tap feature within the software to use the right shift, the FN, the context menu, and the control keys as your arrows, which isn't really found in any other 60% keyboard. Another feature of this keyboard is it has an auto sleep feature to help conserve your battery, which is very nice. However, like I said, it does lack dedicated arrow keys, which is a deal breaker for some. The OpenSlab N Pro 2 is available in many different versions with many different kinds of key switches. The one that I have uses a Gatoron brown switch, which gives excellent tactile feedback that's a bit smoother and gives that mushier feeling than other brown switches that I've tried in the past. They do have a fair amount of pre-travel, and the overall travel is quite a lot. This means that it should be harder to make typos, as you have to press the key fairly far before it actuates. While my N Pro 2 uses Gatoron brown switches, this keyboard is also available with multiple varieties of Cherry MX, Gatoron, and Kale switches. And as you know, different switch types will result in different typing experiences. I did a little modification to my N Pro 2 by installing O-rings to dampen the sound a little bit. Now, the O-rings that I got are from Lazada. It does help dampen the typing sound a little bit. Here's a time-lapse video of me doing the modification. Here's a sound test of before installing the O-rings and after installing the O-rings. So who should buy this keyboard? This keyboard is for enthusiasts like me, who wants a compact yet versatile wireless keyboard, and also something that matches your theme if you're like me who likes white. So my theme for my computer setup is black and white, so that's why I chose this keyboard, and I was totally blown away by the performance. This is also a perfect keyboard for the mobile gamer, because you can connect to your phone using Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone and also be productive at the same time using your computer without switching keyboards. So it's really versatile. So in conclusion, this is a keyboard for someone who likes to color match their setup, or someone who wants to dive into the realm of enthusiast keyboards. The N Pro 2 is without a doubt a bang for your buck keyboard. So I hope that after seeing this video, you guys would consider buying the N Pro 2. You will not, and I repeat, you will not regret it. I will be coming out with other reviews with my current setup, so I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Give me a thumbs up if you found it interesting or if you learned something new. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay tuned with some of my other review videos. So for now, always stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.